Welcome to the ultimate exploration of jaw-dropping moments when technology, nature, and human resilience collide. From planes struggling to stay balanced, to a miraculous water landing and wild encounters with the forces of nature, this video reveals the shocking truth behind the scenes of some of the most intense survival stories. Stick around till the end and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Let's dive in. Now let's head to Alaska, where two kayakers find themselves in the middle of a natural catastrophe. As they navigate the icy waters near Spencer Glacier, the glacier itself collapses in a massive wave, forcing them to dodge huge chunks of ice and powerful surges. With nothing but sheer will and quick thinking, Andrew and Josh manage to escape the deadly wave. Their close call with nature's power is a testament to the strength of human instinct in the face of danger. Next, we're in for an eye-popping experience with an Ethiopia Airlines flight. Imagine the right wing hitting the ground first, then the left wing follows suit, sending dust flying. But despite this chaotic sequence, the plane manages to carry on its journey. And finally, the infamous top smoke producer of the airport, a Boeing 757-200 freighter. What was it about this specific aircraft and its performance at BHX that earned it this title? We'll break down the viral video, the behind-the-scenes issues, and what it says about the challenges that come with flying under such extreme conditions. Then, we move to an unforgettable moment of a plane bouncing up and down, struggling for control as it tries to land. The aircraft rocks twice before finally coming to a motionless halt on the ground. This bizarre sequence will have you questioning how it stayed intact. What went wrong here? We'll explain it all. The next scene unfolds in Cambodia's Siem Reap province, where two soldiers are making their way across a makeshift bridge of logs and mud. Suddenly, disaster strikes as the bridge collapses under them, sending both plunging into the river below. Madeira Airport is known for its tough conditions, but this landing takes it to another level. A powerful crosswind rolls down the mountainside, pushing the foliage to the right as the plane approaches. What seems like a textbook landing quickly turns into a battle against nature. How did the pilot keep control? Let's take a closer look. Now, a DHL cargo plane faces disastrous weather conditions during its approach. Despite the captain's best efforts to regain control, the plane skids off the runway, breaking in half. Fortunately, this was a cargo plane, and no lives were lost. But this incident serves as a harsh reminder of how quickly things can go wrong in aviation, even when you think you've got everything under control. One of the most terrifying moments a pilot can face: engine failure on the runway. This plane landed too quickly, and the result was an uncontrollable blaze. The tension, the pressure, the rapid decision-making, it's a nightmare for every crew member and passenger on board. Let's see how this disaster unfolded. One Missouri teenager's TikTok went viral after she recorded her terrifying experience in a flood zone. At 2A, M. Catherine K. drove into floodwaters and found herself trapped in a sinking car. As water flooded her vehicle, she managed to escape, clinging to a tree in the middle of the raging floodwaters. With the current threatening to pull her under, Catherine held on for an hour until rescuers arrived. It's a terrifying but inspiring tale of survival against nature's might. In 2013, Violet DeMello, a British tourist on a safari in Zambia, was struck by lightning. Shockingly, she survived without severe injury, her hair singed but her life intact. But Violet isn't alone in this phenomenon. Roy Cleveland Sullivan, known as the human lightning rod, survived being struck by lightning 7 times between 1942 and 1977. How did these extraordinary survivors live to tell the tale? Lightning is powerful, but human resilience is even stronger. Things go from bad to worse when this plane tries to make an emergency landing in the middle of a tornado. The aircraft wobbles uncontrollably, struggling against nature's fury, until it loses control upon touching the ground. A rare and terrifying glimpse into the worst conditions a pilot can face.
What
The moments you've just witnessed show us the raw, unpredictable nature of our world, whether it's the power of the skies, the earth beneath our feet, or the water we navigate. These stories of survival and resilience prove that against all odds, we can endure. Which moment shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Call to action. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, comment your thoughts, and give us a thumbs up if you want to keep exploring the most intense, heart-stopping moments nature and technology have to offer.